Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to get different colored glass icons on your Samsung Galaxy device. So the new theme park update in Samsung's Good Lock lets you create a glass style icon in custom colors. So let me show you how to do this. So here you need to go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. Now in the Good Lock app, you need to go ahead and open up the theme park module. So this is right here. Here you need to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. So here you need to go ahead and make sure it's on version 1.1.01.25. If you're not on that version, then you won't get this feature. I have a link to the APK of the updated theme park. So if you're stuck, you can go ahead and download that APK from the description down below and install it to your phone. Once installed, go ahead and open the theme park module. Now here, go ahead and tap on icon, then tap on create new. And now here, this is what your icons will look like. If you scroll down, you'll see shape and effects. Go ahead and choose your shape. Next, you want to go ahead and choose effects. And now here, you'll see all the available effects. So from here, you need to go ahead and choose the glass effect. And now here, you can go ahead and customize your edge. So if you want a bigger edge of the glass, if you want more light, and if you want the angle at a different position. So I'll just make this obvious for you guys so that you guys can see exactly on this video. So I'll just go ahead and choose that. Now the next thing which you want to choose is your glass color. So here you can go ahead and customize your glass color. So you can make it yellow, you can make it blue, red, black, any color you like. So let's go ahead and make this a blue color. You can go ahead and choose the transparency as well. So if you want a light blue or really dark blue, go ahead and choose that. Saturation, and once you're happy with that, tap on done. Okay, and now as you can see, you have a blue colored glass. Next, you can go ahead and choose the glow. So this will basically give you a glow on that glass effect. Now once you're happy with this effect here, you can go ahead and tap on save, give it a name, blue glass. Okay, let that save. Now find blue glass from here and then tap on apply. Now if you press home, you see that your glass has been applied. So you can see the icons are transparent as well. So it's a unique premium icon appearance without the third-party launchers. So it's fully customizable, shades and transparency. It gives your home screen a futuristic and a fresh look. So there you go guys, that's how to get a different colored glass icon on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.